If morning worry has been tugging at you, give me just a few minutes. By the end of this journey, your mind will feel clearer, your energy steadier, and something within you, something quiet but powerful, will have shifted. I'm Rhea Rivers, your guide for this unfolding inner landscape. By the end of this meditation, you will feel centered, rooted in yourself, and renewed with a calm that feels earned, not forced. The kind of calm that comes from remembering who you really are. Take a slow, full breath in, letting your chest rise naturally. Exhale gently, letting tired thoughts fall away like dust shaken from your shoulders. Again, inhale deeply, welcoming clarity, almost as if the air itself is brushing the fog from your mind. Exhale softly, letting calmness fill the spaces where pressure used to live. Now imagine stepping onto a hidden forest path at the first edge of dawn, where the world is still half dreaming. The light is soft, hushed, and the world feels freshly made. Dew slides from the leaves as a gentle breeze stirs, brushing your skin with cool morning air. The earth beneath your feet feels deeply alive, the kind of ground that holds you without gripping you. As you take your first few steps into this waking forest, a gentle glow appears ahead. A warm, pulsing orb drifting above the path as if it has been waiting for you. Move closer, inhaling slowly as you approach, and exhaling as the orb's light softens the world around you. It warms the air, steadies your breath, and illuminates, not with intensity, but with understanding. This orb is the shape your energy takes when you are not rushing, not worrying, not bending yourself under the weight of expectation. This is your natural rhythm given form. Breathe in deeply, and notice how the orb brightens, as if it recognizes your strength even on days you doubt it. Exhale slowly, and watch as it drifts closer, matching your tempo, reminding you that the world doesn't need you to move faster than your breath can carry you. Pause here and feel the orb's gentle hum circling the air around you. In that humming glow, a truth rises. My energy expands when I honor my pace. Walk forward again, inhaling with each step, and exhaling as the forest begins to wake with you. Birdsong stirs in the branches above, soft at first, then clearer, as if the forest is nodding in agreement. The orb floats close to your shoulder now, casting a warm trail of light that moves with you. When you look at it directly, you sense not what you should be, but what you already are when you stop apologizing for taking up space. Another truth rises from within. I don't have to push to be powerful. My presence itself has weight. The path curves into a clearing, and sunlight spills between the branches, gathering in warm pools across the ground. The orb lifts a little higher, drawing the sunlight into itself, glowing brighter with every breath you take. For a moment, the orb shines so warmly that it lights your face, not harshly, but like a reassurance you didn't know you needed. In that soft glow, an insight becomes clear. What I need isn't outside me. It's been waiting in the quiet places I rarely visit. Take a long inhale, feeling that truth settle into your chest, and a slow exhale as the orb drifts back toward you, as if bowing in recognition. Continue walking, the orb beside you like a companion you've known for years. The forest deepens, but the light never fades because now it shines from your own rhythm, not your surroundings. And as you move, the orb reveals another message, a message you feel more than hear. I release what drains me. I keep what strengthens me. I choose the thoughts that honor my well-being. The orb drifts gently into your hands now, warm and softly pulsing, like holding confidence itself. You feel your heartbeat syncing with its glow, and from that rhythm, a final insight rises. I am allowed to begin again. I am allowed to take my time. I am allowed to shine without permission. Take one last deep breath in, letting this truth settle into your bones. And exhale fully, feeling the orb dissolve into a ribbon of warm light, slipping into your chest, returning to the place it has always lived. Open your eyes when you feel ready, carrying this renewed presence with you. If this journey resonated with you, subscribe now and join the R&R Story Meditation community, a space where immersive, restorative meditations nurture your mind, your heart, and your spirit.